So in this video I'm going to show you how to solve an equation that looks like this. 3 sine 2x equals cos x. We're going to be using the trig formulae that we've been learning in the previous videos. So first thing to notice is you've got a sine 2x. Whenever a sine 2x or cos 2x come along, you should be able to recognise that you have ways of writing them as, well, in terms of sine and cosine, rather than sine 2x or cos 2x. So sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So I can rewrite this as 3 lots of 2 sine x cos x is cos x. Okay, so that's the first step here. Now, 3 lots of that, well, that's just 6 sine x cos x equals cos x. Okay, that's a nice easy step. Now, don't be tempted at this stage to divide through by cos x. The reason why we don't divide through by a trig function like this is because cosine could theoretically be 0. And it does have points where it is 0 between 0 and 2 pi. So actually, in doing that, you will lose solutions. And effectively, if you're dividing through by 0, then everything's going to go kablooey anyway. So we don't do that. Move everything over to one side of the equation and factorise instead. So I'm going to take cos x from both sides and then factorise it. So there's cos x as a common factor, and in the bracket I'd have 6 sine x minus 1. So that means that either cos x is 0 or 6 sine x minus 1 is 0. So we've got cos x equals 0, or effectively, if I rearrange it, sine x equals 1/6. Right. Now, cosine between 0 and 2 pi looks like this. So it intersects the x-axis at pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. So the two solutions coming from that equation are pi over 2 and 3 pi over 2. For sine x equals 1/6, well, sine looks like this between 0 and 2 pi. So 1/6 will intersect the curve at 2 points. So I can inverse sine on my calculator to work out the first one. So inverse sine of 1/6, and that's 0.167. So that's that solution there, and the other solution can be found from getting pi and taking away that value. So pi, take away that value, is 2.97 to 3 significant figures. And they are your 4 solutions to this problem, original problem. Okay, so really, these types of questions will just get you to use one of the trig identities to swap sine 2x or cos 2x, and then solve what you get afterwards.